Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open expired link in Telegram. And here's how it is done. Open the Telegram app. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Locate the channel or group username. If the link shows as expired, ask the original sender for the username of the channel or the group, or try to recall if you save it. Use the search bar in Telegram. Tap right corner and type in the username. Join the channel or group. If the channel or group is still active and you can find it, tap on it, then tap the join button to access it. Note, unfortunately, an expired invite link cannot be reused. You need either the username or a new active invite link to access the channel. And that is everything you need to know about how to open expired link in Telegram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.